Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Guys, this car has about 15 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. Gorgeous car. It's Aztec Copper and Cream. It's got a what looks like factory interior, but it's actually an ultra leather with the factory inserts. It has a crate engine, a 502 540 horse big block in it with a Muncie 4-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage heat and air. It's got a Currie 9-inch Ford rear end with a 355 limited slip. And I'm telling you, man, this thing is beautiful. Oxidized primer floorboards. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. I actually probably put about 5 or 6 of the miles on this car. And I'll tell you what, you're not going to find a nicer driving 57 Chevy. This thing runs and drives excellent. Beautiful car. You can see new chrome and stainless. Bumpers are all new. Pretty car. It's got all new factory soft gray glass in it. Now, I love this two-tone color combination. This car really pops out in the sun, guys. '57 Chevrolet is probably one of the most iconic cars Chevrolet ever built. Very popular. Sorry guys, got a little smudge there on some chrome. Pretty car, man. You can see laser straight down the sides. It's got a set of American racing torque thrusts with the knockoff simulators on it. I mean, you know what this guy spent in chrome building this car. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, this is a aluminum headed crate engine, 502 cubic inch, 540 horsepower. Muncie 4-speed. It's got a beautiful set of ceramic coated headers on it. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage heat and air. It's got, shoot, I can't remember the darn after. It's got an aftermarket, obviously aftermarket aluminum radiator in it. Even your core support, all that bracket, that all comes with that radiator. I looked that radiator up online, man. It's an expensive unit. Everywhere you look, man, this car is nice. Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's got the twin electric fans out front. Literally turn the key, put mirror, drive it to a show, stop, put mirrors underneath it and show it. It's that kind of car, guys. Like I say, man, just drives excellent. It's nice and tight. You know, no squeaks, no rattles. I mean, really a good car. This interior is really nice. New carpet. I wish you're here to feel this leather. What this is really cool. So it, you know, it has that factory appearance, but this is actually just, it's ultra leather, super soft, and then they put the factory insert in it. That's really nicely done. Very comfortable too. It's got the color coordinated tilt column in it. It's got a Classic Industries wheel in it. 65,000 is what's on the odometer. And actually that speedo works, so I'm not really, you know, it does bounce around a little bit. When I was driving it down the road, I noticed it bouncing a little bit. So we'll check it, either the cable or the speedo head. Got it, aftermarket Sun Pro gauges. It's got the Hurst shifter in it. It's got all brand new dual exhaust. Again, it's got a Currie 9-inch Ford rear end in it with a 355 limited slip rear end. And just look at how every crack and crevice you look at in this car is just nice. Relocated the battery in there for safety. Again, it's all body color in here like it should be. That car is nice. I'm gonna make sure I shut the deck lid there. I think the first time, we're gonna have you shut that, Jay. Make sure it gets shut. Took off in it. I had the darn trunk open. And again, when you look under this, the body colors are, the floorboard is all oxidized primer. All new Flowmaster, dual exhaust, that 9-inch Ford rear end. Man, that's a pretty son of a gun right here, guys. I love the interior in here. Very, very nice. Got Jay fired up. Again, I haven't checked that speedo too, because I mean, I did notice when I was driving it would bounce every now and then. It's usually, sometimes the cables will get a little loose on there. Pretty that car is. Fuel gauge does work. Everything else is down there on the floor. Parking brake does work. This thing does run, guys. This car scoots. I can't say I ripped in it real hard because it's so fresh. No radio. Blower motor does work. And you can see your gauges are all functional down there. Wipers, no on the wipers. We'll check those. I think in 57 they're actually vacuum operated, so again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com, or you're always welcome. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. There you go. Now you can see it out in that sun. That car is killer, man. great day, guys.